Our company started in 1972 with acquiring the property to start the landfill business. And we started taking trash in 1973, and we just got a 75-acre expansion permit to redevelop the old closed landfill. So we're in the process of recycling 60 acres of old landfill and turning it into 75 acres of new lined facility.
We have various different types of Volvo equipment. We have wheel loaders, everything from a 220 down to an L30. We have excavators from an EC140 all the way up to a 460. We have articulated haul trucks, A35s through A40s. We also have something a little unique. We converted a 350 wheel loader over into a garbage compactor, put garbage compactor wheels on that, and added our own guarding and stuff, and we're actually compacting garbage with that machine. There's a couple of reasons we bought Volvo over our competitor. The big thing is fuel consumption. Volvo burns at least 10 to 15% less fuel than their competitors. Uptime's very important to us with our timelines. We're open 6 days a week, and we need reliability.
At the end of the day, when our fuel truck comes around, we'll put 70 gallons in a Volvo haul truck, and a competitor's brand that's similar size, sitting right next to it, did the same amount of trips, the same production, takes 90 gallons. So we see that every single day with every piece of Volvo equipment. And that's some big numbers, and that really helps us control our cost or have an advantage over some of our competitors that aren't running the Volvo equipment.
Compared to their competitors, Volvo has the Cadillac of the haul truck market, hands down. They're a very good machine. It's no different running a vehicle up and down the road. It's a very comfortable machine, and it's reliable.
The operators run to the Volvo equipment. We've watched it happen for 15 years. Every morning you send one guy out to grab a wheel loader, you go out in 10 minutes, and the brand X machine's sitting there and the Volvo's gone. And he had his choice, he could take whatever. We need to be good at what we do in the waste business, and that's what we got to focus on. Volvo brings up to the table a comfort level for us that we've got the best equipment that there is around. We don't have to look for efficiency, we don't have to look for production, we don't have to look for cost. Volvo's got it all, and we know that going in. So we can be good at the trash business.